Hello guys, welcome back to my Python YouTube channel, and in this Python video we will quickly learn about how to read .py file in Jupyter Notebook. As you know that uh, Jupyter extension for file is .ipynb, so it cannot read .py file directly. So you need to copy paste stuff you have to do, but the technique I'm talking about will directly load your Python file in Jupyter Notebook, and you can also run it. So let's see how to do it. So suppose we have this Python file mofat2d.py. So we want to load that code in our one of the cell. So for doing that, we will do type percentage load and type our file name here, file name dot py. So let's do it. In our case it is mofat 2d.py. Now run it. See, it has read the content of your mofat 2d.py file in Jupyter Notebook, and here is the code. Now your work is easy. You can run this file and it will give your output. See, here is my output. So this way you can read your .py file in Jupyter Notebook without copy pasting. So now let's read one more Python file. So in our case it is exponential underscore 2d.py. So again in the same style, percentage load exponential underscore 2d.py, and let's run it. See, again you have got your codes in your cell, and you can easily run it, and here you got your output. So this is a like very clever way to read your .py file in Jupyter Notebook without copy pasting. So I hope this video has helped you to get insight about how to read .py file in Jupyter Notebook. Thank you.